فإن دعوة أهل السنة، دعوة أهل الحديث، دعوة السلفيين، دعوة أهل الأثر تقوم على التربية والتصفية.
Ikhwan, this something that we should prepare from right now. Not from tomorrow, not from next month or next year, from right now. As one of the poets, he mentioned in the Arabic language a few phrases, inshallah ta'ala, which brings amazing benefit. He said, تزود من التقوى فإنك لا تدري إذا جن ليل هل تعيش إلى الفجر. Prepare yourself for death, because nobody knows when the night passes will he be living. وكم من فتى أصبح وأمسى ضاحكا وقد نسجت أكفانه وهو لا يدري. How many of the youth, they play in the morning and the night, but their shroud is being sewn for them and they're unaware. Meaning, their shroud might be, our shrouds, Allahu A'lam, might be being made in the earth somewhere today, but we're unaware of it. وَكَمْ مِنْ صِغَارٍ يُرْتَجَ حَوْلَ طُولُ عُمْرِهِمْ وَقَدْ أُدْخِلَتْ أَجْسَامُهُمْ ظُلْمَةِ الْقَبْرِ. He said, and how many young children, it is hoped that they will live a long life, but their bodies have already been placed in the darkness of the grave. وَكَمْ مِنْ عَرُوسٍ, how many brides, زَيَّنُوهَا لِزَوْجِهَا, they are prepared for the wedding night. وَقَدْ قُبِضَتْ أَرْوَاحُهُمْ لَيْلَةَ الْقَدْرِ, but it's been decreed for them on the night of decree that they will die. They won't experience that joy. وَكَمْ مِنْ صَحِيحٍ, how many healthy people, مَاتَ بِغَيْرِ عِلَّةٍ, have died from no known sickness. They died. We're unaware why they died. The doctor can't inform us. He was a healthy man. You hear this many times. He didn't deserve to die. He was a healthy man. Again, ikhwan, وَمَا تَدْرِي نَفْسٌ بِأَيِّ أَرْضٍ تَمُوتُ. No soul knows when it will die. As Allah informs us, no soul knows in which land it will die. Death doesn't have a fixed time. It doesn't come with a specific sickness. Death comes when it comes. Ikhwan, let us start preparing for death.